Hello Tech, welcome to our new video. Today we are going to talk about programming language. Programming language is not easy to learn, but if understand fundamental, then it's so easy. So let's get started out video. Learning a new programming language can be intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But before you dive into the code, there are a few things you should do to make your learning experience smoother and more effective. First, take some time to plan out what you want to accomplish with this new programming language. Are you interested in building websites, creating apps, solving complex algorithms? Knowing what you want to achieve will help you focus your learning efforts. Next, do some research on the programming language you're interested in. Look up what it's commonly used for, what industries it's prevalent in, and what types of projects it's best suited for. This will give you a better understanding of the language's strengths and weaknesses and how you can best utilize it. Now it's time to set up your programming environment. Make sure you have a comfortable workspace with a reliable computer, a text editor or IDE, and any necessary libraries or frameworks. Having a well-configured environment will help you stay focused on your learning. Before you start writing code, take some time to improve your typing speed and accuracy. This may seem like a small thing, but being able to type quickly and accurately will save you a lot of time in the long run. Finally, remember to take breaks and stay active. Learning a new programming language can be mentally taxing, so it's important to give your brain a break every now and then. Take a walk, do some stretches, or even just step away from the computer for a few minutes. Your brain will thank you. By following these simple steps, you'll be well on your way to mastering your new programming language. Good luck and happy coding. For more interesting video, like, share and subscribe.